Hey, history buffs! Ever wondered about the ancient city that was not only a major cultural hub but also an epicenter of learning and philosophy? Let's dive into the mysteries of Taxila, also known as Takshashila. Located in what is now modern-day Pakistan, Taxila was a revered city in the Gandharan kingdom, dating back to as early as the 6th century BC. Imagine walking through a city thriving during the era of Buddha and Mahavira, resonating with scholarly debates and bustling markets. Why is Taxila so significant, you ask? Well, it was one of the first few universities in the world. Yes, that's right. It wasn't just a city, it was a cradle of education where over 10,000 students from all over the ancient world came to learn. Subjects ranged from philosophy, medicine to law and military tactics. Archaeological findings reveal a rich blend of Persian, Greek and Indian influences, thanks to its position on the Silk Road. The ruins today tell stories of a once flourishing center of trade and intellect with stupas, monasteries and a university that still awe historians and archaeologists alike. But all good things come to an end, right? In the 5th century AD, Taxila faced invasions and eventually its significance started to wane. But the legacy, unforgettable. So, did you find this dive into ancient Taxila fascinating? If yes, hit that subscribe button and join me for more historical journeys. Let's keep exploring and uncovering the mysteries of the past together.